here now I am another part of my village. As you can see behind me, that distance, this is our crematorium place. After people died, people brought their body and people used to burn right there, but right now it's completely submerged under the water. As you can see, half of crematorium place sink under the water. Let me show you portions, and top portions and rooftop is remain to sink under the water. And that side, it was completely agriculture field, but right now there is nothing look like to see. As you can see, that side there is bamboo crops and people's pond. It's drowning each and every area from my village. And this is the stairs. These stairs went towards this crematorium place right here. As you can see, this is the road, and behind me there is one's bikes coming. So guys, this is the first wave of flood in Assam. So by the way, lots of you don't know about my village name. This village is called Roskandi Tea Estate, which is I am showing you. Look at this hut. It's completely submerged under the water. People evacuate their home and they went some places. Right now I am showing you, and let me show you something, another part of affected village by flood water. Look at this road. Take a look my village places. So guys, there is nothing look like to see right now. Let me go another part of my village and let me show you something else. Bye till then.